The scene is about to change, completely. And it's no exaggeration to say that 2026 may go down as the year Tesla flipped the entire electric vehicle industry on its head. For years, the idea of a truly affordable Tesla felt like a distant promise, something Elon Musk would mention casually and then move on. But now, that promise has a name, a shape, and a timeline: the Tesla Model 2. What started as a rumor has quickly become the most talked about vehicle in Tesla's history, and for good reason. After the Model Y Standard landed close to the $40,000 mark and left many buyers unimpressed, Tesla appears ready to change the narrative entirely. This time, the target is clear: a $30,000 Tesla that actually feels like a Tesla. And that changes everything. A different strategy, a different Tesla. Unlike previous launches, Tesla isn't treating the Model 2 as a stripped-down afterthought. Internally, this project is reportedly considered one of the most important the company has ever worked on. Production is scheduled for May 2026, and all signs suggest the vehicle is already deep into final development. Interestingly, Tesla chose the Fremont factory for initial production. While Fremont is Tesla's oldest plant, it plays a unique role. It's where the company tests new production methods before scaling them globally. That means the Model 2 isn't just another car. It's a manufacturing experiment designed to be fast, lean, and highly scalable. The goal? Turn this compact hatchback into a global bestseller, especially in the United States and China. Not a mini Model 3, not a small Model Y. One of the most surprising things about the Model 2 is its design philosophy. This isn't a shrunken Model 3. It's not a budget Model Y. According to leaked supplier documents, Tesla intentionally gave the Model 2 its own identity, a true hatchback with a unique visual language. Elon Musk reportedly told his team that this wasn't about saving money by reusing old designs, but about creating something entirely new. And honestly, a Tesla hatchback is something the market has been waiting for. This car is built for people who admired Tesla from afar and can finally afford one. The battery that changes everything. Here's where the Model 2 stops being interesting and starts being disruptive. At the heart of this car is the Shenxing 2 battery, developed by CATL, one of the world's largest battery manufacturers. It's an LFP, lithium iron phosphate battery, which already means safer chemistry, longer lifespan, lower cost. But this new generation goes much further. We're talking about up to 800 kilometers of theoretical range, 320 kilometers added in just 5 minutes of charging. Stable performance even in cold temperatures. 5 minutes. That's not EV fast. That's gas station fast. Solving the cold weather problem. One of the biggest concerns with electric vehicles has always been winter performance, but Shenxing 2 changes that. Tests show it can charge from 5% to 80% at temperatures near -10 degrees Celsius, 14 degrees Fahrenheit, in around 15 minutes, something that was nearly impossible just a few years ago. For drivers in Canada, Northern Europe, or the Northern US, this removes one of the biggest barriers to EV adoption. Smaller battery, smarter engineering. Instead of chasing massive battery packs, Tesla made a smarter move. The Model 2 is expected to use a battery around 50 kilowatt hours, delivering roughly 500 kilometers of real-world range. Why does this matter? Smaller battery equals lower cost. Less weight equals better efficiency. Faster charging equals better daily usability. This is classic Tesla, efficiency over excess. The result is a lighter, more agile car that still goes far enough for everyday life without inflating the price. Giga-casting, less parts, more strength. Tesla is also pushing manufacturing innovation even further with the Model 2. Using next-generation giga-casting, large sections of the car's structure are molded as single pieces instead of hundreds of welded components. For a compact vehicle, this approach is even more powerful. Faster assembly, lower labor costs, fewer quality issues, higher structural rigidity. The Model 2's body will be simpler, cleaner, and more uniform. Not flashy, but intelligent. Think minimalist design with purpose. A simplified interior on purpose. Step inside and you'll notice something different. The Model 2 doesn't try to impress with luxury. It focuses on functionality and durability. Fabric seats instead of vegan leather. No panoramic glass roof, smaller 11-inch center screen, fewer speakers, reduced ambient lighting. But here's the key. The software experience remains premium. The interface is fast. The chip is modern. The Tesla ecosystem is fully intact. It's simpler, not inferior. Built with the future in mind. Despite being affordable, the Model 2 isn't disconnected from Tesla's long-term vision. It includes a front-mounted camera, making it compatible with future autonomy upgrades and potential participation in Tesla's robo-taxi ecosystem. In other words, even this entry-level Tesla is built with tomorrow in mind. Always connected, Starlink integration. One of the most surprising features? Direct Starlink integration. Tesla has patented a roof design that allows satellite signals to pass through without external antennas. What does that mean? Internet access almost anywhere, better navigation and updates, emergency connectivity in remote areas. Your Tesla doesn't just connect to the road, it connects to the sky. The Tesla Model 2 isn't just cheaper, it's smarter, more focused, and more intentional than anything Tesla has ever built before. This isn't a luxury EV pretending to be affordable. It's an affordable EV designed from day one to scale. If Tesla delivers on even most of these promises, the Model 2 could become the first electric car for millions of people worldwide. And that's how industries truly change. Now, I want to hear from you. Would you buy a $30,000 Tesla Model 2? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like the video if this breakdown helped you. Subscribe to InfoByte Network for more clear, honest tech insights. See you in the next one.